have we simplified trading and investing through Trade Simply Connect? Let's find out.
Real-time tradable reports on Connect. At Trade Simply Connect, we publish real-time market reports and trade strategies such as intraday swings, weekly swings, opportunity swings, and more. These help you make informed decisions in the market in real time. Impatience to participate. Everyone is eager to trade quickly in real-time markets. Understanding this, we started publishing research reports with various strategies. The goal is to help you avoid losses and learn trading and investing systematically. But to succeed on Trade Simply Connect, learning the basics first is essential. Trade Simply Edge Zone. After logging into Connect, subscribe to our Edge Zone for free. It gives you real-world experience in trading and investing and provides essential knowledge on all aspects of the market. Our goal with Edge Zone is to educate you so you are fully prepared for real market challenges. Trade Simply Partners and eGrihnis. Our Trade Simply customer support team, partners, and eGrihnis, housewives, will guide you every step of the way in your trading and investing journey. We help you take advantage of opportunities in the market and teach you live trading, investing management, and portfolio management. Real-time price action and portfolio management. We want to give you real-time experience in live markets and price action. Experience live markets with our experts and learn how to manage your portfolio professionally. Diversified product baskets and create your own watch list. We offer 26 predefined baskets, allowing you to choose a diversified portfolio. This gives you the ability to act like an informed trader and investor, helping you make better, well-informed decisions about your investments. Quarterly Research Basket. We provide complete analysis of 26 predefined baskets through quarterly reports, where our research team defines long-term entry-exit points and stop-loss levels. These reports are beneficial for long-term investors. Free charting tool for all product baskets. We provide free access to live charting tools for all these baskets. With our predefined charting tools, you can experience real-time price movements, making your trading process easier and more effective. Analyze Now Algo. You can create your own strategy in live markets using our Analyze Now AI feature, which helps you make quick and accurate trading decisions in real time. Analyze Now Algo with real-time order book. After creating your strategy with the Analyze Now AI feature, you can save it in the order book and review your strategies. You can even edit trade levels, allowing you to apply algo trading more efficiently in live markets. Analyze Now Trading Campaign Live Real-Time Market Sessions. Join our Analyze Now Trading Campaign live sessions and learn how to build short, medium, or long-term trading strategies. We offer this premium service for just 999 rupees for 30 days, including 4 30-minute live sessions. These sessions will help you learn trading strategies and algo trading in live markets. Live research reports with target and stop-loss levels. If you have limited time but want to join the trading and investing world, take advantage of the reports published by our Trade Simply research team. You can benefit from intraday swings, weekly swings, or positional swings in live markets. Connect with our Trade Simply partners for full training and make the most of this opportunity. Robotech Algo Trading System. Our Robotech Algo Trading System helps you understand support and resistance levels, while also providing alerts for short, medium, or long-term entries. It helps you make informed decisions in live markets. Designed for precise and fast execution, our Robotech system will help you excel in algo trading. Trade Simply Connect Elite Membership Program. Become a part of our Trade Simply Connect Elite Membership and learn how to manage your portfolio correctly while taking full advantage of live market opportunities. Learn smart trading and investing and achieve success in the market. Learn trade management. With our Live Virtual Trading System, you can create and apply your own strategies in real-time markets. Through our Edge Zone, you can learn essential aspects of efficient trade management and investing. Understanding these basic steps is crucial to becoming a successful algo trader. It's important to grasp all aspects of algo trading to succeed. How we can help you achieve financial freedom. Learn basics of stock market with Edzone. Join Trade Simply Connect forum, investors social media. Take expert advice and access live reports. Our Trade Simply partners will support you on every step of this journey. Become our elite member on Connect and gain premium access. Become a wise trader or investor by passing our simple modules and be certified. Take benefit of our AI-generated report with least tech jargon. So, now you can learn, earn and grow sitting home. Now, join us on Trade Simply Connect, your one-stop solution for all your trading and investing goals. For more information, call now.